Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and here's what happened while we were away. We had a 7-year auction that went fairly smoothly, while prompt WTI around $100 a barrel has encouraged a bear. Flattening the 7-year sector didn't cheapen notably on the curve ahead of today's auction. In the end, the offering tailed by half a basis point, stopping at 4.175%. Bid to cover was in line with the 1-year average at 2.51, though it was the lowest of the year, admittedly. Indirect participation was tepid at 58.4%. Next, we had Amazon released a notice that said they are set to sell OpenAI tech after Microsoft's ceded exclusivity. Microsoft made that announcement yesterday. It is something our customers have asked for a really long time. I guess apparently some of OpenAI's latest models will be able for preview on AWS starting on Tuesday, with the most powerful GPT models arriving in the next couple of weeks. That actually did little to lift Amazon stock today. It's still down around 1%. We had a Trump Truth Social post. He finally said something about Iran. If you remember, he had a meeting yesterday with the senior advisors about the proposal that Iran had sent them. His Truth Social post said, Iran has just informed us that they're in a state of collapse. They want us to open the strait as soon as possible, and they will try to figure out their leadership situation. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Now, there was no, he didn't say they were going to open the strait, and the U.S. leader has told his advisors that he is not satisfied with the latest suggestions, and his administration has previously said that any deal must include agreements to curb Iran's nuclear activity. So that's why we didn't really see much. Well, we saw a move higher in oil, actually, but we didn't see that much movement. On the Iranian side, Iran had signaled it may be willing to accept an interim deal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz in exchange for Washington ending its blockade of Iranian ports, while postponing the more complex negotiations over the country's nuclear program. It is insisting on keeping some control over the shipping through the strait, which Washington will likely not accept. So we are still at an impasse after that third deal was, I guess, passed to the United States. So again, we're still at an impasse. The strait is still closed. We've had about 6 ships moving through the strait today. Half of them are commercial ships, half of them are non-commercial ships. So again, effectively, strait is still closed. We had consumer confidence numbers earlier. The resilient customer narrative is back in the spotlight tonight after the Conference Board's latest survey comfortably beat expectations for a second month in a row. Tuesday's headline rating of 92.8 is the highest we've seen all year. While this specific survey is often less sensitive to inflation than the University of Michigan's report, it does carry significant weight with analysts. So for those that are watching the economy's health, the Conference Board data does tend to track closely with actual consumer spending. So this does provide a glimmer of hope that household consumption may remain steady, even as drivers feel the pinch of rising prices at the pump. And then last but not least, we heard this earlier today, just wanted to speak about it for a minute here. UAE quit OPEC. Now, we did see a move in oil downward until markets realized that doesn't really matter because the strait is still closed. But I just wanted to make some notes. One, UAE has wanted to leave OPEC since 2020. They have threatened to do so every year. It seems this Iran was kind of the catalyst to push them over because they don't like being constrained to OPEC quota data. That said, and I did note this on X, UAE still has 1.7 to 1.8 million barrels a day of total liquids offline. That includes crude oil and nat gas due from damage from the war, from the war. In addition, the Strait's still closed. That limits their cargoes loaded at ports on the Gulf. So this limits any near-term excess barrels that they could possibly put out at this juncture. I think markets sort of realized that again. We are, back over 100. So we will see what happens with that, and I will pass it to Jim for an edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. Let's take a look at crude. We have it up on the screen here, 10-minute chart. By the way, Kelsey's predicting 54% chance we're going to close over $100 at settlement, which is at 2:30, which is coming up soon. Right now, we're trading at 100.13. So anything could happen here. I don't know if we're going to be above 100 or below 100, so I kept my hands off of my phone. Look at this volume profile, though. It's really nice. It's a very nice profile. Now, the tail at the bottom is a little bit elongated, okay? But, remember, we came a long way overnight with a nice, slow, steady creep all the way into the London initial balance and kept on going. After that, resumed momentum back up, and we peaked here at around 740 to 750, and that peak was around 104.85, give or take a couple of ticks. And that's where I kind of anchored the top of my fib retracement. Didn't quite make it to R3, but we did make it to that one-day max and that JAX 3. So a lot of milestones happened. Now, we're only at 70% of the average range, which surprises me just looking at the chart. But it is what it is. So another thing to note here, which I think is kind of interesting, is not only are we above the point of control and above that VWAP, that's that white session right there, but from a retracement point of view, too, we're between the 23.6 and the 38.1. So, the sellers never really had a chance here to take control of this market today. Right now, we're really, resistance is really at the top of the value area of the volume profile. The value area is that dark histogram level here in the middle. That represents one standard deviation of data here on the volume profile, and the point of control is slightly south. So we're bumping up against that, the top of the value area right now, and we'll see if that continues to hold as resistance or not. But that's 100.14, and we've been doing that ever since, I don't know, before the opening range, actually. I can go back here and say this all started 840 to 850 candle on the 10-minute chart. And we're only slightly above the opening range as well. IB high, I guess, as the youngsters call it. And we're above that JAX 1 level as well. So penetration above really, I don't know. It's almost like a triple top right now. Getting to that JAX 3 is going to be a little bit tricky today at 101, but we'll see if we settle around 100. On the downside, if things break bad, which it doesn't look like it's going to happen, 0 DTE call resistance is at 98. That's kind of an interesting line in the sand as well. It could act like a magnet, but probably not. Look at the volume profile. There's really nothing over there. So that's the story of crude oil today. We'll see how it goes with any more disclosures from our friends overseas. Let's go back to the E-mini S&P. Check that guy out. Let's let this data pop. Wait for a second, and we will get a chart. Now, we do have a lot of support down here. Let's let the volume profile data pop in. There we go. Right around JAX 3, 71.50, right? I'm just putting my crosshairs there. We spent 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of major thrusts back down, if you think about it. But really, we couldn't get a close below that JAX 3. That's sticky right there. Buyers keep pushing us back up. We found a bottom right now. Is it a good bottom? I don't know. But guess what? We're about to have our second VWAP touch. We already had a really good one I talked about this morning, where we made lows. We rallied all the way up to VWAP. See where I circled it right there? And that VWAP touch, that volume weighted average price line, that white line, buyers brought us all the way up, and we tried to extend through it, right? But it was rejected. Sellers brought us right back down here in this candle, and we ended up closing below the VWAP. the next candle confirmation that nope, this was a failed attempt to break out to the upside of the volume weighted average price. And so we kind of went sideways for a couple of, not even sideways, but kind of maybe for a couple of candles here. But sellers were clearly in charge, and it was kind of a nice setup, actually, to be honest with you, if you took that trade for that VWAP touch. Now now deja vu all over again. We're back up. We're back up. Now the VWAP is a lot lower than it was before, right? We're talking 71.65, but this first green candle here that just completed, this closed candle right here, almost touched it, maybe touched it, just got right there, but couldn't go any further. Now this is the confirmation candle. Is this candle going to resume an upward trajectory or not? Now we have a higher low. I mean, I suppose that's something, but again, without a close above here or any meaningful kind of movement back above here, that also might be a good signal as well. Again, I'm obviously bearish right now, but that's just my opinion. VWAP is king today in the E-mini S&P. That is this afternoon's Edge Report. We are ready for our main event to trade the close. And with us today is when I say the OG, I am not underestimating. I'm not just saying that to be cool with the younger folks. It's totally true. We got you four guys are with us from the start, right?
That's right, baby.
Man, you stick around any longer, you're going to start looking old like me.
I'm looking for that Kraken stock. You got any of that?
Oh, man, let me check my pocket. I got it.
Yeah, we should be vested by now, Leo, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
I agree.
Vested. I don't really know how vesting works, but I have been watching Silicon Valley a lot, so I know it's a word that is used in companies.
It's not the best show to learn from.
You guys are fully vested in NinjaTrader Live. That's what I will make that. I'm going to make that call right now. Anyway, well, thank you, gentlemen, for being here with us this afternoon. It's kind of a weird day, right? We had this big sell-off and these kind of attempts at a rally. They keep failing, but we're looking at some more earnings coming out. We got a Fed meeting tomorrow. Chair Powell might be his last time in front of the podium. Who knows what he's going to say? And we got the big earnings Wednesday night. So, it's interesting to me. This is not very anticipatory today. This is actually actual movement. Leo, we'll start with you. What are you thinking?
Jim, I'm going to be honest. I was putting together all the launch material and whatnot for this new DOM. I haven't really looked at the chart today.
Okay.
What?
He's a busy man, Jim. He's busy. While the rest of us are pressing buttons, Leo has to do actual work.
Yep.
Wow. All right.
I got to give it out. I got to get this thing out there to the people.
Yeah, today's a big day.
So it's coming out. It's loose in the wild right now, right?
It's live. It's out.
It's out. All right. Well, I'm going to be installing my version of it tonight, or maybe even while you guys are talking. I'll install it and play some trades. See how profitable I am.
You're gonna love it, Jim. Honestly, I can't believe it happened. I'm so happy.
I know.
I mean, we've been talking about this for a very long time. So, yeah, I did literally nothing to make it happen, but I'm very glad it's here.
Yeah. Well, I know there's a lot of hard work involved. You guys did a great job, and it's going to be pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to using it. XYZ, what are you thinking about market today?
$1 million more than you already make, Jim.
I think
there you go.
This is very important. This big node we built, it's the prior range, prior value for the week, last week too. Right now we're trading above it, which gives me pause on shorts, but it is a zone that I've marked as a spot of like lack of interest. So coming up, we didn't find much, and when we finally went through it, still not much interest. Coming back, kind of just knifed through, went up, and then now we're back for like a retest. So it's hard to see, but it is low volume up here. So I'm trying to short to see if they're going to hold that. We're working against a really strong 1 hour candle. So I don't really expect too much for this short. If it works, great. I mean, we're risking pretty tight on it, less than 10 points. Look decent for a bit, but ultimately I'm playing this zone here. If they can hold it, we'll probably start a down leg on a higher time frame. And if not, it's still likely to just catch a bid here and just go through if there's going to be no interest to step in front of this. This zone has seen very little both ways, as you guys can see here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the gate right now between continuation lower or go through and back into and through this range to probably the 27,350s. So we'll see.
Yeah, I got to say, I love that. I mean, this is very close to the E-mini discussion I just had about that VWAP being challenged again late in the afternoon, and a failure there would bring us some more lows. And my only worry is where your stop is, but systematically the structure looks the same here in the E-mini S&P and the Nasdaq. I like it. All right. Let's keep rolling here. Who's next on the screen? Let's go to Nick for a tick. Nick, how are you?
I'm good, Jim. Yeah, same old. We're still kind of in the market and waiting. I was happy to see we at the very least came back down to 27,000, which I think I was saying to you was kind of something I was looking for in the early parts of this week at like my most bearish way I could kind of see us just settling without new news or any new data into FOMC. So we got that in the overnight and even into today's session too. And now we're holding and we're kind of just ping-ponging between that and last week's highs. So I'm kind of with XY. I could see a short like right here, right now, working in the 140s to 150s. The open is a little bit higher. The overnight VWAP's a little higher. So we may just balance the rest of the session. Would not shock me to see some sellers come in and try to defend the opening print just a little higher than this.
Got it. Very awesome. Thank you, Nick. Stowe, other than the fact that the Pirates blew the game last night.
I know, divisional round too.
Oh,
you hate to see it. Well, I have an interesting idea for the rest of the day. I would like NQ to go fill this gap. Pretty much. So here we are. Piss missile market as demonstrated by a purple cloud created by Leo, so you guys don't have to see the puke yellow cloud anymore. We finally pulled back to just the +1 of the monthly band on NQ. That low looks fine. I mean, it's chilling down here. It hit my extension. It poked it a little bit, and then there seems to be a bid that showed up and is bidding the hell out of it at the moment. So I worked way too hard yesterday. So I have just been chilling. But I've been buying MES down here slowly, and I've got one left now. It's got 13.5 points in profit. And the idea for this trade is go fill the NQ gap or I guess make a new low, and all my dreams are crushed, and then I have to figure out how to short this damn thing. So that's where I'm at. But I don't know. Piss missile market is here. I'm still in a cloud that is pointing straight up and to the right. And until then, I'm still long and strong.
All righty then.
Anyways.
Well, we don't want to make you ill, so I'm gonna have to root for you, my friend.
If I have to puke this one micro, I'm gonna be furious.
All right. Well, best of luck. By the way, one more quick announcement. Remember, Thursday, not tomorrow. Thursday, trade the close, end of April battle. This is, we're highlighting these three gentlemen, Nick, Jack, and Chris, are going to be featured traders in this battle, and you could join them as well. You could also be a trader in this battle. Just simply follow the link in the chat and sign up. It's a real-time sim account, $5,000 in prizes, and $1,000 to whoever finishes in first place. So it'll be a lot of fun. Top 20 finishers are going to get cash prizes, and it starts in 1 day, 23 hours, 41 minutes, and 26 seconds. So register right now. And tomorrow I'll talk about tomorrow when we're done here. We got extended stuff going on tomorrow, including after the close at 4 o'clock. Me and Craig Shapiro are going to stay on. Craig's going to walk us through the earnings results from the big guys, the big dogs, and I'll pop up some charts and we'll see what kind of price action we get. So that'll be fun, as well as a bunch of stuff going on in the middle of the day. I'll cover that later. So having said all that, let's wish these guys the best of luck. Appreciate you guys as usual. I am dipping into the chat.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Jim.
Gentlemen,
friends, how's it going?
The day is here.
The day is here.
Check out what I got, guys. You guys,
Orange. Great
you guys
choice.
Remember
dude.
these?
Yes. Orange is the flavor.
Forgot that.
Orange is definitely the flavor.
What I missed. I don't
he has
think that was-
TikToks. TikToks.
Was there a conversation about Tic Tacs?
I don't know. He just
No, I just saw them a couple days ago. I forgot they existed, so I bought them. They're pretty good. They're pretty good.
We meet again, 69, dude.
Nick looks like he's going to sell me a Forex course in that pick. Well, you never know. I could pivot one of these days.
You're going to sell a Forex course?
I mean, with
Why,
that
would you
Miami,
buy it?
with my Miami suit, apparently that's the vibe I'm giving off. So
So are
Hold
you
on,
saying
trading
you'd
with
buy
Jose.
it?
Would you buy the course? If he
yeah,
sold
I guess
it?
that's the real question.
Make one real quick with Claude.
You're Gen Z.
I've learned that there is no way to half-ass a Claude course. Trust me, I tried. I tried to speed run version 2 and it did not work.
Yeah, Claude catches you sleeping. That's for sure. I have figured that out.
And then he sleeps knowing you're late. You're just as lazy as he is.
Well, as I sit, plugging things into PowerShell, like I know what I'm doing, just following Nick's guidance to create some
Hearing
sort
you
of.
say plugging something into PowerShell as if it's just nonchalant as hell is hilarious. Well, so I was just plugging this thing in PowerShell.
Well, I just learned what PowerShell was yesterday, so I'm going to say that word a lot.
Stowe is a full terminal guy now, apparently.
Well, I remember, I had MS-DOS games that you used to have to like look in the directory and figure out the install file for. Like I had Prince of Persia on PC, great game. So I remember what a command prompt is. That's kind of the end of my knowledge, though.
Deli, you don't like orange Tic Tacs? Those are the best Tic Tacs.
Tickwisey.
I'm gonna eat some right now.
Dude, those are the best flavor.
They had like what? They had the red ones with the big red. It was like the gum.
What'd you do? Did you just find yourself at like a 7-Eleven and you're like, oh my God, Tic Tacs?
No, I was at Ralph's. And then I saw it was like 65% more. I was like, damn, it is a bigger box.
How many clams are those Tic Tacs? What's Tic Tac inflation?
I don't remember, man. I just bought it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Fair enough. I forgot. Baller XY only is cheap.
Yeah, I'm not looking at
PF
the tag
Chang's.
when it's Tic Tacs. I'm sweeping the book for the Tic Tacs.
Speaking of cheap, I got a couple pairs of Viore shorts secondhand in the mail today. Very
Another
excited.
one, huh?
Nice.
Mhm.
Is it like doo-doo brown?
No. These are nice. These are like a pinstripe. Actually, they might be brown.
Pinstripe, they're not nice.
Well, no, polka dots. I'm sorry. I said that wrong.
Is Bubblicious still around? Those are hella good.
Yes.
Yeah,
It
they
is.
are. So is fruit striped gum, if you're curious.
I when I was quitting nicotine, I was chomping on Bubblicious for a week. Always fun. But yeah, it is still around.
Mm.
I knew it. They were baiting my short.
Oh,
Party. Hey, now's a
No
really good
spice.
time to look at the Dom.
yes. Show me on the Dom exactly what you saw there.
Look at all this buying.
Definitely a little grouchy. Yeah, we're just fighting with this. Okay, good. We're still fighting with this 6970 guy who I hate. He's now most hated Most hated award for sure goes to this turkey. I hate that we're below him. We were supposed to
now.
have vanquished him.
For
And
now.
he has become, now I'm vanquished.
I'm short here. 69. For the meme?
69. Yes. I like it.
69, dudes!
My God.
Thank you, production. Very
They're
good.
too fast. They are too fast.
Can you believe that the Dom exists, guys? For real? I was really thinking back on it
I
today,
know.
and I was like, "This is crazy. People are going to
I
be able to
never
use
thought
it."
we'd get here. And here we are.
What are we
Same.
doing? Why is this not going down yet?
It's
Crazy.
it's piss missile market, Leo.
I heard you. I'm still ignoring it.
Stop saying that. Why do you keep saying that?
Well, XY got on with me yesterday and immediately was like, "Yeah, I'm going to take the opposite of the exact trade that Stowe just spent 5 minutes talking about being in." So, suck a butt, and then he made money.
Did it
Like,
end
you know,
well? I don't remember.
They're literally holding these 70s. Like
It did not
life
end
or
well,
death.
It didn't end well for me?
but you did make money because you were scalping.
Oh, so but I did make money. I honestly don't remember.
Yesterday was just a weird, annoying day.
What are we doing? Tracy, what's
Today
going
has
on?
that same vibe.
Tracy, the news.
Tracy! The
Is there
news!
news? Is there news?
Trump said,
Hmm.
get in line with Stowe or lose your money. Must have
That's
said
right.
something like that.
3 hours ago was a good time to buy.
Trump is a hindsight trader. Called it here at the White House. White House
Buy my
confirm.
course.
Buy my course.
White House, please confirm.
I was getting some lessons from Claude last night about how to make my social media posts a little more effective, and he said, "You really should be talking about P&L a lot more." I know that might sound like
We
bragging.
knew that.
Yeah. I've gotten that same advice, and I'm just we've been down this road before.
Claude never remembers it. Like, it chooses to keep saying the same stuff to me over and over again.
But we've had this discussion. Claude is like capitalists maxing to the top. Like that's his goal. That's his only goal. Whoever's subconscious was built into it is coming right through. Just pure capitalism.
That's
You got to respect it.
I know. I kind of
You got to
do.
respect it, you know?
Watch these bids here at 68. I want to see if they get filled and then they sell into it. Then that's good. Otherwise, I'm out of this. I'm gonna get out of it.
They might do that little rug, shut the door behind those fills. I'm trying to see if anybody's got any very stupidly placed stops left on this thing, and it's like not really. I like this 80 spot. I mean, this is kind of like last target,
What do you
unless it
mean
really.
you can see stupidly placed stops? Are you on level 3?
Yeah.
Still got
Did
the
we-
special Dom.
Yeah,
Leo,
you got
That's
some
the white
different
van Dom.
Did Leo not give me the bonus, Tom?
The bonus
Just
Dom?
me?
Dom Plus premium.
So you're not supposed to talk, brother.
Oh. Classic Stowe. Always saying the stuff I'm not supposed to say out loud. Nah, I just mean like, just like these dummies got away with this for, a little too long. But there's not that many dummies left up here that still have some stops in place. This is 86 guy. It's pretty wild we left that whole node down there.
I don't think so. I mean, do the work. They find liquidity, and you see who's got more of what. And it looks like it's the buyers.
You're much better at that. You're much better at that than I am. Letting a giant node be left alone somewhere. Be like, yeah, well, all right. Well, if it's gone, it's gone.
Yeah, the way I saw it was like that's going to be where they need to find liquidity on the bid side if they want to hold that prior range. And the node is proof that, yeah, it's still there. The interest to buy still exists.
Yeah.
And then if you start trading above the node, then the interest to continue upwards of that old range is still in the market, and then you leave the node and the information's the same. More interest higher than lower.
Yep.
We're literally between 63 and 79, and we can't fucking go anywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally.
It's just doing that. It's just doing that never mind thing.
What's your targets though?
My ES target is when NQ fills the gap. So I'm just gonna probably hold this thing until the end of the day.
So like NQ's new high a day.
Yeah.
All that.
How about not and say we did?
All right. Well, I mean, it's not that far away. 27,300.
I may just get out of this. I'm just annoyed.
Yeah, they're doing dumb stuff now. Well, we got to sit up here and grind on this 69 guy for.
We have to sit here and grind.
We're gonna do what now, Stowe?
Yeah. That,
Hey,
I hit the ear wrong.
yo.
Are you good?
I'm good.
Freaky.
I'm fine. No,
It's a freaky trade to close
listen,
today.
no, you all have your minds in the
Pause.
gutter. I don't even curse anymore. I don't tell dirty jokes because if I do, they come right back at me out of my kid's mouth. I'm with nipples, guy. Fortunately for everybody who was in Miami, I did not get my nipples out, so it was a win-win for all. If you would have come, I would have. I mean, AJ was there, so they almost came out, but I tucked them back in. Man, it was so cool to see AJ in person. I love seeing you guys in person. We got to do this. Yeah, when Nick and I randomly found AJ, it was like, okay, we really do need to figure out a couple hangs a year with all of us, because jokes in person just as good, but better.
Then we'll do the streams 4-way, but all on one laptop.
That's a good idea.
There's 4 of our all of us on one laptop screen.
I like that.
It's gonna look like that scene from
each other.
From the
just standing over
internship
each other.
with Vince Vaughn and Owen Wilson. They're like in the Google interview, and they're like both just in front of the camera at the desk.
If we, I covered most of this. I'm still in 3, but if we sell below 69, I'm just going to add back into it.
Yeah, I want to sell that too.
I want to see a little lower.
What-
I want to see us break this little. Like we're in a little balance right now, like a micro balance.
That's mean.
What's mean?
I'm actually gonna try short.
Stowe, you're long. Why are you
Even
saying
Nick
you'd
wants
like
get
to
short.
see it go down?
Oh,
Actually, I like
mean,
the spot.
this is a good setup here, especially if this selling gets rewarded. I will short this on NQ. I am doing something that I have enjoyed, which is having a position in ES and selling against it in NQ. I know that is not necessarily something that a lot of people can do.
Big
But
brain stuff.
It's not big brain stuff, but I don't
Definitely
have to
not
limit
smooth brain.
myself anymore.
That's the ridges. You're showing the ridges on the brain there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I added into as we were pushing down. So I'm in 12 now.
I tried to buy the market. Didn't end well.
I'm short.
But he
too.
lifted 100 right here at VWAP.
Yes, they did.
Oh, fucker.
VWAP Chad in the house.
Maybe this guy's got more offer to give.
Did you say VWAP, Chad?
I did.
I think there was somebody in the chat the other day
Hold on.
named Prop Firm
Hold on.
Chad, and I
Hold
started
on. Hold
laughing.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Come on. Let
Come
it
on.
go.
Break it.
Let it go. No. not yet.
Overnight VWAP guy. Too strong.
This value area high there too. I mean, that's a pretty good lift.
Come on.
Nice taper there, 56 too.
Are you trailing your stops though?
Nah.
Break even or moon?
Or zero?
I think I got like one. I think I got like 1 point of 1.25 points of stop loss.
Sell it.
We break this 160 guy. We're gonna party.
We just sold 30 into 57.
Let's go.
Sell it more. They
They're
need
pressing.
to sell it
They're
right here.
pressing.
Step on it. Step.
Press it.
Come on, baby.
All right, who is this guy?
It's Stowe.
Good.
It's VWAP Chad.
Oh my
Stowe,
god.
man.
57 guy needs to just.
It's friggin' Stowe.
Oh, there's a 50 lot on the bid.
Okay, now run him over. Thank you.
He got filled.
Filled him one go, huh?
We are below VWAP in ES for what it's worth. If that's helpful. Taking a little too long, bud. $64.
Everybody in the chat, please tell 57 guy here to find a new home.
He can buy it lower.
He can buy it lower.
You good for your home?
He can buy it like 110s or 115s where I'm going to cover the first lot.
All right.
Your home. Are you too good for your home?
There we go. Come on.
There you go. Let's
Right
go,
there.
baby.
That's good. Keep it going.
Cool.
I'm
We're coming up
layering
on Buyer Mountain here. So I got a lot to get through.
Everybody, you can buy the generational lows lower.
Yep. I covered 3. May do another. May just cover half this trade.
Oh, you jerk.
Small profits. I mean, we have been grinding higher since the last 3 hours. So
Yeah. I got a bunch of liquidity down there on ES. It would be nice if they
It
just
is
went and filled all that stuff.
obviously pretty stout. So it's hard to be super confident this thing is going to rotate all the way.
A
the
portly
bottom,
bid,
right?
you say.
In your terms, it was piss missile.
That's not my term. I stole it from farm.
Wait, did XY get long?
I've been long. I've been scaling longs. I'm going to continue to scale longs, I think, until they actually break something. I think shorts are fighting the tape here. This feels like
I'm not
it.
fighting the tape.
It just
I'm
feels
fighting
like they're
this
slamming
blood
it,
red.
right? I'm seeing the
This
slamming,
is red.
but price isn't really slamming.
This is red.
Look at the fucking Dom. It's red. Blood red.
Yeah. I see it. I see it. I see it. I think certain efforts should yield certain results.
I would like the results to be us rotating
I think
to
if we're
27,000.
slamming price, we shouldn't take small profits, right? Those kinds of things is like, hey, why aren't they getting what they're looking for? So the market's continuing up. I'm trying to get on with it until they break something. Then I'll get out.
I'm short rated this 58 guy. So it's probably not going to work.
Oh, this guy.
Okay, I'm just gonna pull my stop down, take some of this off, and be happy with whatever happens next.
What happens next is should be just us going to zero. Come on.
3.
Leo, your mic sounds crisper.
Ooh.
What?
Your mic sounds more crisp.
Did you get a
More
mic
crisp?
upgrade?
No, it's the same mic.
Might just be the acoustics in the room are better.
Ooh.
Could be that.
Nick forgetting all
not.
the times sellers have let him down. Yes, but for some reason I still happily am jumping on their train the second they get even a whiff of momentum behind their sales.
That's called bear amnesia.
Yes.
It happens to all of us.
Oh boy. And I'm going to sing a delta flip here on the buy side.
Just turn that off if you don't like it.
Yeah, we gotta do
just
is
stop.
just delete it. Just uninstall
Turn it off, man.
Uninstall OFL.
Just turn it off. Then you won't have a delta flip. Could be so simple.
I have always been on Team Bear, but for some reason I have not taken like any pain really trying to short this thing this entire way up.
Did Chipotle's earnings come out yesterday?
I don't know. I didn't look at it.
Aren't you the OG Chipotle bear?
Yes, that is me. Who has
What a title.
reaped $0 in profits from his trade thesis.
OG
Mainly because I
Chipotle
just
bear.
I don't short stocks. Like that's just never been something I really wanted to do outside of trying to
It's very un-American
short
to do
several things via put options in 2021, which was not a good situation for me for the long term.
Mm-mm.
that. Very un-American to do so.
It just got a little silly towards the end of the summer. I just happened to be like 2 months or 3 months too early.
Well, I'm gonna see if I could take some profits. 173 here. They can make their way up there. I got 4 on now.
Nice. Yeah, that whole buy and puts so you can make money when things go down doesn't always work that way.
It's un-American.
Who's that dude? There's some gentleman on Twitter that posted something fun about that Avis company or Carvana or whoever. What was the car thing that just went all the way down? Nick, you were messing up the name the other day, I think, or XY was.
Carvana?
Well, Carvana is the weird one that I think is still somewhat, I don't know what's going on there, but I don't.
Wait, a
I
car
hate
stock
it.
just went down?
Avis is the Delta squeeze, Gamma squeeze, whatever one.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Avis was going crazy during the COVID rush.
Yes, but Avis's symbol is car, is why I think people make
that's
the
what happened.
confusion.
But some options gentleman that I follow on the internet posted a thing. It was just like as price went all the way down on this stock, puts actually went down because of some other thing, and it's just like, yeah, this is why I don't mess with this dumb world. That the whole Black Scholes thing is a confusing place.
All right, I just took one off. I'm gonna see if they can get a new high day for another one. Try to go down to 2.
Look at that guy partying at 72.
Looks like the longs were better than the shorts. Huh?
Wow. It's almost like I am about to end my friendship with 2 people.
First it was Nick, and then it's me, and then it's you, Stowe.
If anybody in the chat wants to join my exclusive Discord and become friends with me, I have 2 empty places.
Wait, what did I do in this situation?
Nothing. You're
Okay.
you're in the clan. Yeah.
Oh, Nick's back
Nixon.
in the good graces
What the hell did I do?
after the competition.
Nick is in the good grade. Stowe, you're just long and you're just guilty by association.
What else would I be? This is who I am.
You're just guilty.
That's true. That's kind of true. You can't take that away from him, or otherwise you take away everything.
Change my entire personality.
You'll be taking everything
I'm
from him.
pretty sure you can basically trade your entire trading personality behind and just put it behind one simple strategy.
Your entire worth is tied to your trading. Your worth as a human.
That's all you gotta do. You just gotta lock onto one strategy, make that in your entire online personality. That's all you have to do.
Well, I would need a strategy I could explain out loud first, probably.
You got the wiggles.
True.
You really don't. You can literally just draw horizontal lines, diagonal lines, and you could make tens of thousands of dollars apparently a day.
Not from the lines, though. Well, kind of from the lines.
Kind of from the lines.
Mm.
That's true.
Maybe I should sell my proprietary squiggles. Chat, would you guys like to buy
How do you sell
Stowe's
squiggles, though?
proprietary squiggly lines? Trademarked as of
Stowe's
today.
squigglies. It's like a snack. It's like a kid's snack.
How much would you pay for my mystery lines, guys? Tell me. Bidding starts at $6 for PF Chang's.
And you get the really ugly chart unless you buy the premium version.
That's actually a great
Leo's
idea.
colors.
That's
the premium
perfect.
colors are Leo's colors.
I'm going to pitch that. Leo, I'm going to pitch that to OFL. You can get a discount one, but you have to upgrade to get the beautiful colors.
Leo's colors. Otherwise, you get Stowe colors.
Let me know what they say.
And random polka dots. Your chart will have random polka dots on it.
I had the idea, but did not have time to execute this, to change my free DOM settings to be all of the ugly chart colors. But I did not have time to do it today. That was my big bit I was going to work on. So
I scratched out of my short for 6 points instead of taking the full 14.
Because I got long with XY because I just trail XY now. That's my new strategy.
Is that the proprietary strategy?
It's one of them.
It's one of them.
Yes, chat. Sign up to my Discord where you can copy trading XY.
There are so many strategies. You can buy it in a bundle. It's a bundle deal. Still, I don't know what the hell to do with this long. I just know the market's going up.
Yeah. I'm just chilling with it too. Who knows? Maybe we'll make this 69 guy the point of control over on ES and just reiterate how much I hate him.
68.
Yeah.
68 is its own like node.
Yeah. It's been like that for like a week and a half. And then we finally he's the person that I accidentally said vanquished into the
so
Vanquish.
bad
Yes.
right now.
Yeah. I wonder when the next meetup is going to be. The bot keeps putting that in there.
Only Leo
that
knows.
would have the Nick strategy would have just played out because that would have stopped me out by like a tick or two, and then possibly be rolling over here. We'll see if it holds.
Dude, seriously,
Screw
chat.
you
No
guys.
one has seen Rakesh this entire time. Like he hasn't been around for real.
Yeah, I have not seen
Literally
Rakesh in the
just
chat.
bought the low and retired.
Dude's on an island for sure.
Yeah. That whole move up. He's just checking in on his like account once in a while, like, oh, still up 7 figures.
Or he didn't buy it and got really sad about it and rage quit trading forever. One of the two things could be true.
I hope it's not that one.
The chat says he was here a couple days ago.
I really hope it's not that one. That one's sad. I don't like that one. I don't like that alternate ending.
How we out on the likes? Should we pump this on the internet? I forgot to tweet about it.
I should
forgot
probably
to do
pump
a lot of
this
stuff
on the
too.
internet. I'm gonna have to get good at pumping things on the internet.
Well, you got a robot doing all your work now.
I mean, he does like some of my work. I have to tell him what to
Do you
do.
actually
And
post things, or is it
sometimes
just
I
bots?
spend more time like double checking and then correcting poor work than it may have actually taken me just to do it myself. Sometimes the model gets a little dumb, and today was one of those days where it was making me go insane because it was being very dumb.
This market is making me want to smash my fists against the disc.
Leo, do you have RVol? What's your RVol right now?
115.
Yeah, it's like 115 RVol, but geez.
It's because of
Feels
the
like it's
overnight
60.
action. Feels like 55.
Yeah.
All right, I pumped the tweet.
Can you guys hear how loud this keyboard Leo made me buy is?
Nope, can't hear it.
Can't hear
Thonk,
it.
thonk, 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 thonk. I don't know how these Zoomers deal with this loud keyboard.
The clacky? Clacky?
Yeah. Apparently it's a It's not a defect, it's a feature. I thought something was wrong with this thing when it got here. I was like, why is this thing so
It's the
damn loud?
tactile feel, man.
I don't need to feel it.
It's the feel.
He's like, Stowe, you need a real keyboard, dude. What are you doing with that one that comes in the box? I was like, I don't know. It's what I've always
Which
used.
one did you get?
I don't know, man. Just like everything, the one that you sent me the link for.
When you put it
If
like
you
that, it
get-
doesn't sound like a bad idea.
If anybody came to my
And when
office,
you put the link in for, like, oh, okay.
it would just be pictures of things that Leo's told me to buy.
So you also have a $20,000 computer set up.
No, I don't. Good Lord.
That's what
I thought it was
allegedly
50.
Mine is.
Sometimes when Leo tells me what to buy, I find the Temu version and buy that and tell him I got the nice one.
Well, Leo tried to do that before and it didn't work out for him,
Yeah, that's how I ended up with the Roadcaster.
which still didn't really work out well for him.
It's still, yeah. I need to actually get Nick on Zoom and tell me what to do.
Have you tried just asking Claude to do it for you? Not that it's making me dumber, but like there's a process now in my brain that is spewed from like laziness where my first instinct is to think about it. Is that something I could have Claude automate for me? Like that's one of the first things that pops in versus me just doing the work.
Do you? I'll tell you something that is truly detrimental to me recently. It is very hard to take a college class without immediately thinking about how to talk to Claude about it.
Yep.
It is like I don't know how they expect me to execute ideas without my robot in my pocket. It's really tough.
I guess I could think of it from like my old working mindset. Granted, I don't think it's, unless your company is obviously using it at a certain scale, it is safe or even allowed to potentially talk about things that you're working on with some of these models. But in the event that you are, I feel like I could just be more productive for the amount of tasks and the amount of data that I'd be able to use to do certain things.
Hey, Shab.
Hey, Shab.
Also,
Shab in the chat.
this lady is 100% grading my papers with the AI. 100%. She is using Claude for all the feedback stuff or ChatGPT or something. She's leaving those big dashes in there. So I don't know why I can't use it. It's clearly being used.
You know what sucks? That used to be like my texting and like typing to friends.
M-dash?
Yeah, I do it. I used to do it all the time. Like,
Dude,
that
I
was-
know. When people
That
started
was my pauses.
When people started saying, "Oh, M dashes, everyone's using it," that's how you know it's fake. I'm like, what the? I use it all the time, and now I'm gonna be fake.
Shocking. I've never used that once.
Now I have to like literally think about how I'm typing things to people so it doesn't look like it's AI.
What's up, XY? We going this over? We going to previous day low? Are you on board?
I covered 3. I got 1. I want 225. I don't need much, man. I'm not looking for too much. Just 225 or break even on the runner.
They're going to take me out, whatever.
Oh, there. Leo was the one holding it down the whole time. I hate that the dashes are a big giveaway because I used them a lot, and now I hesitate to use them because people would just be like, "Well, that's AI."
Hello, we do not use that thing that you speak of. But when I look at level 2 stuff and just MGI in general, I only use the minis. I do not use the micros. I'm pretty sure we're all like that, but I don't know.
Crumpled Fedora says, "Yep, I've used M dashes all over the place for years, and now I find out I'm just an LLM after all."
It sure would be weird to find out that I was actually an Android this whole time. That would be annoying.
I'm hoping Stowe's secret high-level data is right.
Mm-hmm. What did I say it was doing again? I forget. I've already forgotten. Oh, stupid stops.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
we just ran a bunch of them now at 86, like that. The initial like scene of the crime, dude. He got popped. And I don't know, you can see NQ's a little slow. The DOM's a little slow at the moment, so you can actually see this. On the bid ask, you can see this 83 spot. Got swept through. Nothing on the bid, bunch on the ask, and then we filled and kept going higher. That is, bring this baby over here. That's over here. So I was just, I mean, when you're coming up against places where we sold from before, you assume there are stops there, and so you want to see if buyers want to take initiative there, or if they peter out and pretend that they don't want to exist anymore. These are the inflection spots to look at the DOM for there. Stowe's DOM for Idiots video coming soon.
Oh, we're moving kind of. Geez, 6 points feels like 30, man.
Mm-hmm. Let me see this question. At all, assuming that's each of us. You're asking 4 people the same question? Bold move. Do you guys have protocols for when you have poor trading days? Or do you just accept it and move on from it? Yeah, I've gotten to the point personally where I just usually I will look at it and be like, yeah, that was dumb, and then I just go ahead and move right on. As far as protocols, I mean, I have a daily loss limit. I don't oversize. I don't do a bunch of stuff so I can make sure that I don't blow up. But other than that, I don't really have any protocols. I don't like. Well, I used
What do you
to
mean by
cry
protocol?
to my
Because
friends, but now I don't do that anymore. I just cry to myself or my cat.
that's my protocol now. Yeah, I don't know what you mean by protocol because he says, or do you just accept it and move on? Which would be the protocol? Do you mean like a strategy to make it no longer a bad day? Because that honestly shouldn't exist.
No.
The reason you're having a bad day is because your protocols are not working. The only thing left to do at that point is to turn it off and turn it back on again tomorrow.
Yep.
If it ain't working, have you tried turning it off and turning it on?
Yeah, the great thing about Leo, let us know if you get short here again. Because it looks like these dudes might finally be trying to do something.
I'm not doing anything right now except for trying to find a charger for my phone.
Oh,
In terms of how you approach the next day and differently, if at all,
I do like the short though. Still.
I think the right answer would be to approach it the same way you would any other day, regardless of how the last day was. But that's the easy answer, and that's one that's like way easier said than done. That's the truth of it. You're probably gonna feel some sort of way, maybe still tilted, and you want to make it back for some reason. I mean, well, we all know the reason. But yeah, if you're operating with edge, it shouldn't change just because yesterday didn't really work out.
yep. I actually have the hardest time. I don't have a problem with a bad day anymore. I have the hardest time when I'm doing really well. That's the worst for me. I get extremely nervous that I'm gonna oversize or do some winners tilt stuff. So that's the bigger hole in my game than having bad days. If I have a bad day, it's easy to trade the next day. You're just like, all right, well, that didn't happen. Don't do that stupid thing again. But when you do a bunch of good things in a row or perceived good things,
Yep.
That's the problem with being results oriented is when you have a bunch of great results in a row, it can give you a sense of false confidence.
Yeah, when you get bailed out of doing not necessarily poor decisions, but like a couple of things that you're kind of like, maybe I shouldn't have oversized this or moved my stop a little wider or whatever, and it works out for you. And that happens to kind of happen probably for a few days in a row, and then you start losing is when you tend to have a worse losing day or worse losing mental day than you could have in the past. That's usually how mine always are. It's always after like a good streaky, a couple weeks or a week or two, and then suddenly a bad day kind of undoes a bunch of good habits.
What if your whole life doesn't work out? Jeff on the wise. I'm sorry to hear that if that's what you're going through, but
we need an official survey on this, a poll. Should we bring back the four-way again? Yes or no?
I should hope so.
The four-way stream.
Imagine it's like all no's.
I feel like we
That would
should.
really suck. I would never come back. I would just be like,
It would be really funny though.
They say Chad is leaning yes. There's a couple no's probably, but everyone else says yes.
There are a bunch of no's, but production's
I'm
deleting
deleting them all.
Yeah,
So you'll
production's
never see
deleting
it.
all the no's.
Perfect.
Rigged voting.
Good. Yeah. This
Am I inviting you to a four-way?
this very
Yes,
fair
Chris.
election is happening right now.
Chris, we
Let
can't
it go.
invite you to a four-way because it'll be a five-way.
No, it wouldn't, because we only do four-ways with our friends, and XY is no longer a friend. So Chris would be part of the four-way. You would not.
I'll tag you in, Chris.
And whoever put thumbs up, you should be fired.
K.
Okay.
What's worse, Leo? K or a thumbs up?
thumbs
K.
up all day?
Thumbs
Oh
up.
my God. I can't stand a K.
Okay.
K.
Ah. Oh, yeah.
Now I know how to text Stowe.
I knew it was coming, and even then, it got my soul. Ugh.
Feel it, huh?
Got
From
the
across
ick.
the screen.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, that can't be a real question. If you really feel like your whole life doesn't work out, I would say it's possible you're walking through life with a snake bit mindset, and you can go ahead and just flip that baby upside down and find yourself in a much better mood.
This market sucks.
Hmm.
I feel like I'm losing money.
Sitting in this too long.
Literally feel like I'm losing money. I'm just gonna get out of this. This market sucks. Just forget it, dude. I don't even care if this thing rips up right now. I'm over it. I hate it.
All right.
As soon as I
That's
get
how-
out, it rips up.
That's how you know it's gonna work.
Tapped me. Waited until I tapped out. Sometimes it'd be like that, man. I'm
Did that yesterday to me, honestly.
sick of it.
Same thing.
I'm so sick of it, dude. I'm eating Tic Tacs.
Big Tic Tac guy, huh?
Big Tic Tac.
Ticks and Tacs. That's gonna be my Discord. 69 guy be grinding.
I know.
But Stowe.
I don't like it. I don't like
I
it.
don't like it.
He's creeping on me so hard right now.
He's inviting you to his table. You gonna go?
No.
No.
No, I
Now
hate
you
this
were-
guy.
No.
The only thing I'll do is flip him off if we get past him and retest him again, and then we'll head back to the moon where we belong. This is America, damn
Look
it.
at that. They're gonna do it.
Huh? Stack it up. Well, 69 guy is also 72 guy. So, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Buying the top of this range sure worked out for me, though. That was cool.
Yeah, I literally just bought when they started selling like crazy. Well.
Lido, I don't have any time decay settings on the bid ask. I automatically reset it whenever I choose to do so.
Could one of you afford a Rari? Absolutely not. You got the wrong guys.
Yeah, no. How much is a Ferrari? Honestly, how many clams? 200,000 clams?
About like 400,000 or 500,000.
What?
I think Rips is.
It
even
starts at
more.
around 250.
But like,
Okay.
what's the SF90? That one's like absurd.
But you don't really want that. Yeah,
No,
you're
I
looking
don't.
At least $300 dues. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, the SF90s can be 600,000.
SF90, man, that thing nice though. The F8 too.
You know what I'm thinking about? Audi has a nice SUV, the SQ8.
Okay.
It's time for me to get a car.
Really?
Finally turning in that moped.
Tired of sharing a car with my wife.
Um,
You say moped, sir?
Yes.
That was uncalled for.
he cruised right past it too.
I know.
I mean, I
We
got a
kept-
great laugh out of it.
We kept talking. I was like, is he not going to catch that? Is that one not going to register?
I heard you.
Can you get Nick? Can you do Dumb and Dumber on the moped? Make sure Leo's driving for me later when you're clicking the funny buttons again.
I'll see what I can do behind the scenes.
Okay, thank you. I too am gonna have to get a cut. This is the last summer for Old Man Tan, which is the name of my Prius. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably just get Subaru again.
I can buy a Lego Ferrari for a small price. I'm down. My son loves Legos.
Do Ferrari's doors open like this?
Yeah, do they have the billionaire
Like
Ferrari
this?
doors?
What show is that? Where the guy is like, I don't want doors that open like this.
It's Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
Is this Silicon Valley? It is, right?
Yeah.
It's,
Yeah, that's the Trace Commas guy.
dude. That show.
I'm poor now, Richard. I'm poor. You
That
see,
show really
my doors
was ahead
open
of
like
its time.
this.
Yeah. I don't want doors that do this.
He's like, there's a Maserati in your driveway. He's like, that has doors that open like this.
I do.
How do you launch the free DOM once you've installed it? You would click on new in NinjaTrader and it would show up in your menu, free DOM.
Yep, all the way at the bottom.
Can someone send the free DOM link? I don't think I can put it in ntprop.tools. YouTube didn't figure out that was a link, but it is. I think we're banned.
They already had it in the chat.
Oh, it's just ntprop.tools. Thanks for the DOM.
Man.
You're welcome.
Getting my hopes up.
You are welcome for the DOM. Getting your hopes up about what?
Are you vanquished? I don't know. I might be defeating an enemy right now, Leo.
What are you talking
Live.
I thought
On
your
stream.
enemy was the 69 guy.
He is.
What are you talking about?
What is
He's
happening?
gone.
Well, I don't know if he's gone yet.
He's gone. You think he went
He's
to like
also
a
the
bathroom
72
to
guy.
re-up or something?
Still
All
watching.
right. All right, this is getting silly. I might have to cover this. Good afternoon, Samutin.
Great trade, man.
Thank
Killer.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stupid man presses green button on a Tuesday.
My favorite movie. Gamma squeeze into close. Nick, you're the gamma expert. What say you?
Yeah.
I'm the gamma expert. If
Yes.
I'm the gamma expert, then this network is in trouble.
What's the Gamma one do? Is that the Vol Crush one?
That would be theta.
Also, IV. If you buy options with high IV, you're pretty much going to get crushed. Adam, you're welcome. You're welcome. Very timely sacrifice, huh?
Yeah, this is I mean, XY just doesn't have the level of pain tolerance that I have to sit in longs for a few points higher.
What do you guys think about trading as your only income in trading? Well, what I'm about to say would probably land me in hot water with all of the trading experts on the internet. I think you should do what you can to make trading not your only income.
Mm.
But then they'll call you fraud, which is okay as long as you make money, as long as it's all right. If you can trade, great. But if you can make money doing other things too in trading, don't let anybody stop you.
People sure do wonder about other people's money a lot on the internet,
But
don't they?
if you can't trade and you try to do the other stuff, I hope you don't succeed.
Here's the thing. We all do some other little things here and there on the side and behind the scenes. Like I still do random contracting work too. It just takes the pressure off having to stare at a P&L number to feed yourself and your family. That's the difference. It's like just allows you to have the safety net that even like a traditional job would, where it's like, well, okay, I made a stupid trade. I lost $500, but it doesn't sting because I have real income behind the scenes. So that's kind of how we can take some of the weight off your shoulders.
I think the reality too is like it's still active income, right? It's stressful. Do I want to be slinging lots forever? No. I think you should leverage your skill to make more money in whatever ways you can. But again, I think if you can't trade and you don't know what you're doing and you're doing the other things for money, like courses and stuff, I really hope you don't succeed. Respectfully.
Wait, what?
Yeah, people who can't trade, but they start selling courses or making. Watch me make from $5 to $5,000 kind of bullshit. You know?
Whoa. I saw a video this weekend that was talking about the $4 to $2,000 strategy. And
Bro,
I was mind
sick.
blown.
I'm sick.
Shots fired.
If you can trade, man, do whatever you want. Start a Discord, start a only this. But if you can't and you're trying to scam, I hope you don't make a single dollar.
I'm sorry, Nick. Did you say $4 to $2,000?
Yes.
You heard him right.
That was a video.
Oh.
And a lovely, I'm not going to say AI-like thumbnail clickbait, but it may or may not have been.
Did he look like that one painting?
He looked like he may have graduated high school 2 weeks ago. So,
have you guys ever noticed that people who are walking around drinking beers look like 12-year-olds, or is it just me?
That's a good question.
Because I feel that way when I go to a baseball
game. Are we just
game.
becoming like really old? That's the thing.
No, we're totally unk status big time right now.
Yeah, I've realized that.
Yeah,
my status is I'm more of an elder. It's sad. 42. I'm not even,
it's about how you feel.
I had my
Leo's like, well, I feel like garbage.
I do feel like garbage right now, but my dad came to town 71 years old.
Mm-hmm.
He is like, oh, let me come in and help move and blah blah blah. Like, we have movers, so like people helped us move, but there's things to do. And he gets here on Thursday, and we're packing boxes, and he just jumps right in. He's packing boxes. He's let me take some artwork or whatever, like things you just don't want to put in a box. It's a short move. It's 5 minutes away, whatever. So he's doing trips back and forth. He got a minivan rental, and this started literally as soon as he got here, and then trends, wake up Friday morning, the movers come, he's doing all this, and we're putting up, stuff at the new house, And I mean, we go all day Thursday, all day Friday, all day Saturday, all day Sunday until like noon, or maybe Sunday afternoon. We, all right, we kind of got everything done we wanted to get done. And I mean, he legit like never missed a beat. 71 years old.
That's cool. That's what I need. What kind of supplements is he taking? How much magnesium?
Oh, they're not called
Urban.
supplements anymore, Stowe.
Oh yeah, peptides.
It's just
Yeah.
peptides.
Oh, shoot,
Peptides.
sorry.
Special stuff
You just
out there
inject
now.
the peptides directly. That's it.
I do
All
have
you
my
need.
face hammer for my jawline sitting around here somewhere.
You do.
I am going to start working on that. Yeah. Yeah, I watched some TikToks and some guy told me I could have a chin. I just need to hit myself in the face with this device. So we'll see.
Interesting.
Hammer time.
I mean, you guys are putting my jams out there. You're just not long enough. Not long enough.
Chin maxing. They can't afford MC Hammer's bill for that, dude. You know, it'd be coming in extremely
Who
hot.
has the most expensive royalty to use a song?
What do I think about paid Discord groups? If it
genuinely
gives you
curious.
value and you're willing to pay for it, it's fair. If it doesn't and you're not willing to pay for it, it sucks.
Additional hot take, you could be in a really terrible Discord room and still learn something. Think about that.
Yeah, even if it's just one little thing. Look, maybe you paid $50 and the room sucks, but there was that one thing that you learned. $50 is nothing. It's nothing. Super cheap price to pay to learn that one thing that's going to help your trading. That's just how it is, man. It's kind of like you're in YouTube University. You've seen what this week, maybe you've watched like 10 hours of podcasts, this, that, round table, blah, blah, strategy breakdown videos, but only maybe 5 minutes of it actually had any value, but you still found something. It gets to diminishing returns. That's kind of the whole thing. But you got to go sift through all the stuff to find the good stuff.
I learned a long time ago from a really bad Discord I was in that when someone tells you to buy calls, they might have already bought them. So
They might be looking to sell, maybe?
that's when I learned
Ooh.
that
How do
I
we
might have
start
been
one of those?
somebody's counterparty.
Continue. Write this down.
Almost like, never mind. Sometimes I feel like I'm about to say something, and I'm like, no, let's just pull that one back.
Let it go, Nick.
Fire
Put it
away,
out
Nick.
there.
Yeah,
Or
You
else
know,
they're gonna
if
vote
there's
no
one
on the
group of
four-way stream. They're
people-
like, you know what? I hate this stream. Nick doesn't say what he wants to say.
that's right.
If there
This
was
is-
one group of people that knows it's not necessarily always the best idea for Nick to let his intrusive thoughts win.
I think you should.
I
let
think it gets the
intrusive
ratings up.
thoughts out.
Yeah, I think it'll boost the ratings, honestly.
I was told I was in 2026 villain arc Nick. So
Come on,
seems like
Nick.
he's a pretty nice guy today.
Oh, we got inside scoop. Fractal says, you guys, you should get in on the Fractal Firm Solana token.
Oh,
Insider trading.
I can't. It's too much of a pain in the ass to buy Solana. I'm like, and then I had money in there, and then they're like, oh, you need coins to turn your coins back into money, and I'm like, so I need to buy coins to sell coins to get the money from the coins that I
Dude,
sold
I
and bought.
legitimately do not know how to buy crypto or use crypto. One time, you guys, I was trying to find a streaming service, illegal or not, I don't know, but I was like, dude, 20 something bucks, and they got all the sports. I'll buy it because I was going to Japan. I was like, I need to watch my sports, and it was like, all right, now pay through crypto. I was like, Dad, you got me. Hey, I'm out. I can't buy this. I don't know how, but if I did, I would buy it.
I'm gonna start a Discord called Crypto Unk, and it's just gonna be me trying to figure out how to deposit money into a Phantom wallet.
You're gonna make all these calls, and then they're gonna call your friend like he never even buys it. And then you can be like, well, it's because I don't know how
I tried.
to. I'm trying to help you guys out because I don't know how to buy it.
I'm not a fraud. I just can't get past the KYC.
I literally don't know how to buy the crypto, but I want to. What should we listen to now?
Oh, also, and production, this is for you too. My kid was home the other day because she had a in-service day at school, and the stream was on, and she was like, "What is Business Duck doing on there?" And it blew her mind that something that she got from a claw machine like a year ago was still on TV.
Got a job before she did.
Yes, yes, it did. So she loved that so much. She's like, "Is that the same duck?" I'm like, "Yeah, man, same duck."
Italian guy. My Italian brother said you should do an amazing race version where it's Stowe versus XYZ trying to be the first to buy crypto.
I love that idea. That's a very, very good idea. No, reload bid. I did not see your question. Oh, there we go. Stowe, what's a good amount of micros to trade on a 50K funded prop account? Okay, so you made it. You got, like, you're talking about you passed the test. You're able to make money off of this thing. I assume you have a $2,000 drawdown, so you're really looking at like $2,000. I would say in this volatility, this is not financial advice and figure it out for yourself, but I don't know, 5 MES,
I just realized he asked that earlier.
3 to 4
Sorry,
MNQ.
I didn't see that comment. My bad.
It's, I mean, you have, that's just for my strategy though. You got to figure out like how much are you risking per trade? How many trades do you take a day? Blah, blah, blah. All that stuff. So once you know that, then you need to figure out a way to make it so your risk of ruin is as low as humanly possible. So like, I don't know, 5 MES with a 4-point stop loss is $100, right? So you can roll the dice with $100 on that trade, see where it gets you. This is my chance to flip off 68 guy now, if we can bounce from here.
We're not going to bounce. We're going to go to 0.
Are you short? What is this?
Yes, I am short.
I could tell you guys, I'm the
Nick.
last person you want advice from about sizing a 50K account.
Yeah, don't look at XY. Be like, well, how many minis are you allowed?
Why? What do they let you? Don't ask me, man. I can't trade them.
Yeah, just keep adding till you get that little pop-up box.
That says you can't, and then you open up a ticket. Hello, why can't I
Hello?
add more? This is
McFly.
my strategy. Open up a ticket right away.
Oh, that Back to the Future one made me laugh so hard this morning.
Oh yeah, it was great.
I was dying.
Well, TradeZilla has a Monte Carlo simulation. That's pretty cool.
That is cool. That is very cool.
Damn, XY, I'm just like that and been failing prop firms. Well, yeah, pretty much. If you're going to handle it that way, you're going to be failing.
That was the joke.
Does the Freedom Auto Center? Yes, an Auto Center if you wish.
Yep, make yourself a hotkey. Come to the
Yeah, I just
wonderful
hit
world
the
of
scroll
hotkeys.
wheel. Hit the scroll wheel and it
It's
autos.
nice here. Yes, now bid. Good. Good.
How many ticks you use for NQ? The default setting should be what I use. But
Are you compressing your ticks, Leo?
oh no.
Okay. Well,
Not on the
almost,
DOM.
almost passed out. Okay.
60 ticks is what I have it set to on mine. It's a little aggressive.
It's already 3:30. My word.
But that's a good starting point. I think basically what I do with the delta leg to leg on the DOM is I use a short time frame one, because I'm always wanting that most recent delta information on the delta profile. And then on the chart, I use much higher time frame. Like, I don't say time frame in the sense of like a much higher, larger rotation value. Say that.
So do I buy this again?
I added, for what
Here?
it's worth, I added at 78. And I'm going to take one off in a second. We'll see what happens at 90.
No.
Actually, Nick, where's your stop?
It's Kane.
Higher.
Kane's here.
No way! Kane, hi, bud. What time is it? Shouldn't you be asleep?
What time is it even over there?
I think he's 5 hours from me, so 8 from you.
8:30.
I might have rejected that 90.
Who's playing music? Can you guys hear my music?
I hear
Yes.
music.
I fixed it.
Hold on, let me. Is it me? Do you
It
guys
was-
still hear it?
It was me.
Leo was jamming.
No, Leo's just blasting music. Huh?
Mm-hmm. He's always vibing.
It's Nick's fault.
It's definitely not my fault. I tried to show you how to use the mix minus.
Leo, if you would have paid for the real one and not that Temu stream deck, you'd be
he
fine
bought
right
the
now.
real one. He bought the real one. Just operator error. We'll get him squared away. I take responsibility.
Nick and me are about to be on Zoom in about 30 minutes.
Nick, does Leo let you drive?
No.
All right, fair.
You can't drive. It's hardware. Yeah, you want me to
That
FaceTime?
is true.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's why you always drive. All right, now I hate this. Now I feel like ex-wife felt a while ago back when we were at this price.
It can't be between the keyboard and the chair because there's no keyboard. It's a Rodecaster. It's not a keyboard. I mean, if you said between keyboard and Rodecaster, then yeah, I would give you a response, but I can't. Yes, okay. I don't know why you're trying to bait me into this conversation about people that think that they reverse engineered like OFL stuff. I think anyone that is trying to copy it, they're going to keep trying.
You getting rage baited right now?
It's just people are questioned.
I'm sorry. I'm watching
thing
I'm
is,
watching the tape. Am
A
I
lot of
missing
people-
something?
A lot of people have tried to replicate things that we built, and we've been around for 6 years.
It's a long time, homie.
I
That's
mean-
like 90 trading years.
I don't really care.
Kane.
No. If you want the real thing, you just go to the source.
Ah, Kane.
But I'm not continuing to get right. I'm just answering the question.
Wow, DSB with a serious comment. The rare serious comment.
All right.
The
Well,
rare serious comment.
The rare actual.
Do you want to read it out loud since it's rare?
It's special. Production should put it up on the screen, like on the stream.
Oh, like one of the pop-ups?
Dude, there was one time a guy said some hateful shit in chat, and I was like, hey, why'd you guys delete it? And then they put it back, but on the main screen, they're like, there, you happy? I think Savannah was like, there, you happy? I was like, kind of, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, when production says, there, you happy to us, you know that they've maybe had enough of our antics for the day.
Oh, there it is.
The Delta leg and the Dom is orders that are waiting to be filled. No.
Nope.
So if you're looking at, I don't know if you can see my mouse, but these, and there's documentation on this, but the Delta leg to leg are orders that have filled. And so you see a volume profile, that's just the total volume. And then you have the Delta profile, which is the delta of the ask minus the bid volume. So if it's blue in the standard settings, and the value you see, that means that was People people lifted the offer more at that level than sold. And then red would be the opposite. So you're getting a picture, kind of like the historical picture of the time and sales. So you see the time and sales scrolling through here. Obviously, very hard to memorize everything that happened at every level. So you get a snapshot of that data on the leg to leg as you know, orders are coming through. Where you're talking about orders getting filled, waiting to get filled, would be the market depth. So that's the numbers right next to price on either side, where you have bids and offers. So those are always changing all the time, and you know, they may come and go, etc. And that, you know, coming and going is the pull stack. So you have, you know, orders that are being added and pulled. You can control how many levels you want to see on the pull stack. And then so the rest of that market depth activity is just the you know, the limit orders. So this would be known as the limit order book, and this is where all transactions occur in the futures markets. So if somebody comes in, puts 100 lot, you hear us talk all the time about, oh, there's 100 lots on the bid, 100 lots, like we see 28 on the offer right here. You know, they just put that on. Is it going to get filled? It did. It got filled. Looks like it got filled in a few chunks, but you know, you can, you know, see kind of that activity in real time, bids and offers waiting to be, you know, filled or, you know, putting on, taking off. And then the actual transacted orders would be on the time and sales, and then also on the delta profile. So you get a picture of that real-time data, and then also, hey, what happened here in the past or in the past 5 minutes, etc.
Well,
You
Leo,
guys suck.
Leo,
Come on, baby.
DSB, what?
Kane
forever.
says, I can't wait to talk about Scott's third firm. I hear he's going for a three-peat soon. Are you ready for your special segment tomorrow? You got to prepare for the morning.
That's gonna be a
Kane
oof,
sounds like
bang.
he's got some stuff.
A
Got
doozy?
some stuff.
He's got some stuff ready.
Coach Fred, don't type that in the chat. It's like Beetlejuice.
Like
NT
Voldemort.
DOM allowed tick compression. Here's what, yes, but download it and go through the manual, and you'll see those things. Like, does it
Stack?
auto? Yes.
Stack for me.
Yes.
Am I the
Like,
only
all
one pressing
those-
into this high at
All of
3:30?
those things are in there.
Yes, because I want it to go
Yeah.
to zero.
Did the
I'll
announcement
be willing
for
to
the
long
free
if they
already
sweep
happen?
below the.
Yes. If you go on Twitter, you can find the link for it. There's also just above where you type that, you can download it as well. How do you make a trade with the DOM? You clicked on both sides of the price. You should, before you actually try to execute a trade on it, please go through the manual. There's so much nuance and detail that I'm not going to tell you on stream. How do you place a trade?
Yep.
You should start in sim. You should go through the manual, start in sim. If you're going to place trades directly on the DOM, before doing so in any kind of live or prop account.
Yeah, Leo cannot be playing customer support for his free product. Some things you just can't do.
Where do you
Yes.
You can scroll up and see there's NinjaTrader posted a link for it.
Leo's customer support is limited to 3 people you see on the screen, and that's it. So don't bother him with stuff.
You open a ticket in OFL for something that's free, I'm going to close it.
But what you can do is email Leo at Leo at freedom.com.
Appreciate the time you spent. Sorry, it's just going to consume your life on stream. No, I don't think it will. I mean, a lot of people are going to obviously be downloading and asking questions, but I put it out there for a reason. Thank you for making this. No questions. We will add more and more content. Like based on the questions and other things. Like I'll put out, there's no walkthrough videos. We'll make some of those. We'll with time it will get better.
Yes, Leo is truly a proper man of the people. You heard it here first. You watched it happen.
Is the new time and sales compressed? It should just be raw, but you can filter it. So you can put a 2 or 3 lot filter on it. So like here, I have the one time and sales that's not unfiltered at all. And then the one to the right is filtered by, I think, over 5 lots.
Yeah, it might be next turn for some points.
Let's do it.
Oh, Nick is short.
I am short.
Yeah.
Hey,
He sneakily got short quite a while ago. Just quietly snuck that
The
little order
Leo
over
set's
there.
not in play. We would have had to break the IB high.
Man, I would have been excited for that. Ah, Nick's winning.
Let's do it.
I hate it.
look at you, a friend fader.
Damn it.
Look what you've become.
You got me.
All right.
Time for XY to buy.
Yeah, actually, I'm thinking about it. Let's see. I think I'd like to see more like offer lifting. It's just kind of drying out down here. Okay, 169, 77 lots.
Just doing weird stuff.
Keep pushing.
There's a lot of dudes right there.
They got stuff pretty bad in the 188s area, though.
Yeah.
Don't know if I would trust these buyers if those buyers got washed.
See you later, Kane.
Bye, Kane.
Bye, Kane.
Yeah, homie.
Love you. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, I don't want to trust these
You can
buyers
trade
because
on my
the other
dime.
ones screwed up.
Yeah, Josh, I will. I'll come. Do you want me to come to your house or do you want to do it on Zoom? Like, are you
Big
gonna
Zoom
fly
guy.
me out? If you fly me out, it's first class only. I don't fly normal.
I have a real question about first class.
Dude, what the
Why are
hell?
those seats never available? Am I just booking flights like way later than everybody else on the planet? Because I feel like every time I don't even get the option. Not that I would pay $1 billion for first class, but like
I think some of those like statuses get upgraded like instantaneously.
I see. Okay. So they
I've
are
only gotten
available.
upgraded. I only got upgraded once from status, and that's when I was traveling. Like every other week, I was somewhere.
I see. So
And
what
ever
you're
since
saying,
then, I'm in the boonies with everybody else.
I live too close of a proximity to a Wendy's to have the status. I get it.
Dude, there's what is it? I think there was a thing about if it's something and Subway. If you see a Subway somewhere, very nearby, there's something else. Was it like a Popeyes or there's something though. There's something that's always where a Subway is. I don't remember.
Hang on. We're gonna ask ChatGPT because I'm actually curious if there's correlation here. What other restaurant or
It's a fast food spot. I remember that. A pawn shop.
That's funny.
Oh, is
Also
it KFC?
true.
Is it KFC? Dunkin' and Popeyes. I don't. Yeah, there's a Popeyes right next to me, a Subway near me 3 blocks.
there isn't one single restaurant chain that's always next or close to a
Maybe it's
Subway.
like a local thing. Maybe it's like a LA thing. But there was something. It's not churches. It's not churches, guys.
The top ones that it said would usually be next to a Subway would be McDonald's, Taco Bell, Jimmy John's, KFC.
Oh, it's probably KFC. He's probably right. Peter Damst. Dude, I read that so badly. Yes, he got it right. Peter Damst, I think. KFC and Subway. It's not Taco Bell. I actually wish there were more Taco Bells in closer proximity, but
We have covered this.
and I do wish I had more Wendy's in close proximity, but hearing Stowe talk about it, maybe I
Do
don't.
you guys know, Leo, Nick, do you know this Wendy's backstory?
To help. He says,
I
tried
don't.
to help, and then this.
Okay.
I would
What's
like
that?
to know about the Wendy's thing.
Oh, well, XY one day was on with me and Selma, and XY just goes, "Man, I haven't had Wendy's in a long time. I haven't seen a Wendy's in a million years." And Selma's just like, "Yeah, man, it's because you're rich. I live like walking distance between 3 Wendy's," and I'm like, "I'm looking at a Wendy's right outside my door right now."
Yeah, I don't know.
So we determined
That's
that
kinda
XY
blessed,
just
if
don't
you
live
ask
next
me.
to a Wendy's.
This is pretty good, honestly, for fast food. Like, it's pretty good, man.
I don't think I've eaten Wendy's since college.
It's been a long time. Stowe, are you like a regular Wendy's enjoyer?
No, it's in the lower. It's definitely in the lower percentile of my fast food rankings. 100%. I am not a Wendy's enjoyer.
Chat is killing me, man. Chat is killing me.
Oh, chat. That's why you guys are cool, man. That's why you guys are cool.
He said, tried to help, and then this.
Darian, I think In-N-Out is overrated.
Whoa.
Oh. How do I exit Zoom?
Yeah, I might just leave right now with that
How do I
remark.
How to
exit?
piss off 2
Blasphemy.
Californians in one swipe.
How do I
That's
exit
very
Zoom?
true. That's very true. Leo went straight for the jugular on that.
Ow.
They value In and Out like it's their
Leo was just
their
biding his
state
time.
burger.
He'd just be quiet the whole time. Like, should I kill them? Should I murder them right now?
It's like I literally could do it right now.
I could just murder them right now.
I have the
Five
power.
Guys supremacy. Is Five Guys any good? I've never had it.
It's
So,
really
like,
expensive.
It's-
I mean,
it
it's
is.
fine.
69 guy.
I had a double cheeseburger in Miami because I was like starving when we were at the after party thing, and it was like $14. Granted, I was in Miami at like a bar district area, but for one burger,
That sounds cheap.
Oh, dude. I got
I didn't
so
get fries,
hosed
a drink,
at that
anything, just a
joint.
burger.
That sounds
They saw
fucking
me
cheap.
coming a mile away ordering that burrito, dude. You remember what? Yeah. So I
Five
met.
Guys is good. Hang on. Five
I'm
Guys
sorry.
is good, but it's expensive. Five Guys is the GOAT. You'll need a new mortgage for a fucking burger. Come on.
Do they
$30
accept
burger
Klarna?
fries. Leo has definitely. I've never had Five Guys. We're
It's
getting
good.
Five Guys tonight. Actually, I'm gonna do
It's
it.
good. They fry
Live
the
stream?
French fries in peanut oil. It's quite
Leo's
good.
gonna live stream on Twitter.
Oh
the Five
yeah,
Guys
watch out for
experience?
that peanut thing.
Let's get short, Nick.
I am short.
Five Guys
It's
has a
been
peanut
short.
allergy thing.
Wait, Five Guys has peanuts?
Yeah,
They
fry
think they
their
fry everything in peanut oil.
yeah.
Oh.
So does
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A,
Do that?
don't they?
I don't know.
All right,
Chick-fil-A's
guys.
been falling off
Chick-fil-A
a little
or
bit.
Popeyes? I'm
Chick-fil-A.
from the streets. It's got to be Popeyes.
I'm gonna go Chick-fil-A. I do understand the Popeyes thing, but Chick-fil-A is definitely would get my vote, mainly because of there's so much flexibility. You can get grilled, you can get fried, you can get a salad. You know, I mean, if
Yeah,
you're like
they are
pure-
very good. They're very good in their own respective ways. It is a hard choice, but damn, I think it's a nostalgia thing for me too. It's Popeyes. There's a lot of. I see some Jollibee.
Yeah, what is
Dave's
the,
hot.
the Jollibee thing? We have one near my house now.
Another thing overrated, sounds overrated, is Dave's Hot Chicken.
I would
It
agree
is.
with that. But I got a spot called Howlin' Ray's around me, which is like it's insanely good. But yeah,
And if
Dave's
you want to
hot.
go to Hot Chicken, just go to Nashville. get the real hot chicken.
You know, it sounds so
You guys see
overrated.
this comment from
I can't.
Bums TV?
Hold on, let's see it.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
I can't say it out loud.
I don't even see it.
Sorry for your loss.
I have Five Guys.
Yeah, I think Dave's Hot's pretty overrated. Hattie B's, I've only had it in Vegas, so I didn't. Yeah, not the Nashville one, but Hattie B's. I think it's also like Dave's has way more locations. It's like a bigger chain. So see you, man, dude.
Bye, brother.
Hey, man, dude.
Happy day,
Man,
bud.
dude is a legend.
Man, dude
Yes, he
is
is.
a ledge, as
Agreed.
they say. Did you guys know that me and Man Dude found out that we like a lot of the same kind of music? And we are like, I played shows when I was in high school at like places that he went to shows when he was in high school.
Has he
Isn't
been
cool?
to that grungy bathroom that you like so much?
He has not. He has not. Oh, you know who has though? I told somebody in Miami about that grungy bathroom, and they're like, "Oh, I'll check to see if they ever played that venue." And turns out they had, and they were like, "Yeah, that place is gross."
So you can sit here, say all these things, and you tell me to go check it out?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's gross. You should really check it out.
dude. I mean, it's cool to see. Don't you like experiences?
Not those.
All right, fair.
Like, this is the worst bathroom I've ever seen. You should really go check it out.
I try to live an interesting life at all times.
Let's rotate lower.
Oh, no. You got Stowe just sitting real comfy from all the way down there, and Nick's
he's-
just like gritting his teeth, like, come on.
Get
down there.
I just haven't done much today.
Well, not much has been done today, if you ask me.
Yeah.
They made a choice. They made a
Yeah.
choice right here where this volume is. They're going to hold it for now. Only thing is, are they going to get anything? And if not, I think we're going to see that down leg. Very un-American, but it is what it is.
Is tomorrow the FOMC meeting?
Yes.
Okay.
We will actually have the extended trade the close tomorrow
Ooh, fun. That's cool.
with all the lovely folks that are much smarter than the four of us,
Yes.
giving you play-by-play updates.
Who's trading the close tomorrow?
I have no idea.
Not me.
That's not a Nick
So it's
question.
neither of us? Okay.
None of us. We're doing the
They
morning.
must have put real people
Oh,
on.
yeah, we're in the morning. That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
have
probably
real
have
people
smart
out.
people in the afternoon.
So what did the poll get to? How many no's did we get?
Oh, yeah, true.
I don't. It was like a. It
Where
was like
is
a,
the poll?
Survey.
We didn't do a
So-
real poll.
But
Oh,
I
it
never
wasn't a
saw
real
a
poll?
no in the chat. Nobody put it. Everyone just put yes. So it was
That's right.
100% yes. They
And all
voted.
no's were deleted.
They would delete all the no's.
No mail-in ballots.
We had a
were
thumbs
allowed.
up. That was nice.
What was the poll? The poll was: do you want more of the four-way streams with this lovely gaggle of traders here in the afternoon?
A gaggle of traders.
We are a bit of a gaggle, huh?
We are kind of a gaggle.
It's fair.
As I said, they must have put real people. I think we barely qualify as real people.
I mean,
You know.
I mean, I definitely am contributing to simulation theory. Let's be serious. So I'm barely even real.
Mm-hmm.
Let's have Jim trade the Bitcoin for FOMC tomorrow.
That'd be cool.
That'd be cool.
Jim does freedom demo on the Bitcoin.
Jim's definitely going to be messaging Leo for some tech support. Jim gets white glove service, though, always.
Yes.
Has NT conditioned you to wake up? Yeah.
You find yourself getting out of bed in the morning like by accident.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Yeah.
Either that or like production literally shows up at my house, kicks down the door, shines a light in my face like the bouncers at the clubs when they do. And let me show you guys, like, when they do this. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
That's what they were shining on my shoes to double check my dress Converse in Miami.
Like, should
The
we kick
dress
this guy
Converse.
out or should we? Yeah, he seems cool.
I just said, hey, if they kick me out, just Google the nearest taco stand and come find me when you guys are done.
We've got two opposite positions that are not moving.
Yeah.
Very compelling action on the stream right now.
So I'm not getting the gap fill.
Are you guys holding the algo?
That's a bummer.
Yeah.
Hit the likes. Hit the likes.
Hit the likes for the algo hold. Watch it also do nothing.
Probably gonna do.
It's gonna
nothing.
close
That's why
right
I'm
here. You will
holding it.
both win.
Does the squishy algo? That's true, Bradley. X, why aren't you in Jim's basement? Did he let you out today?
Of course I am. No way. You guys just it's a different feeling when you're in a 5,000 square foot room.
It's algo time.
Thank you. Thank you, Kane. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Cool algo.
Very cool.
Did absolutely nothing because nothing ever happens.
You guys are a big fan of algos, huh?
Mm.
The nothing
all.
ever happens algo is my favorite algo.
Name all the algos. Bet you can't.
Oh, someone called here comes the bot rip and dump, and neither of it happened.
Well, it did rip. I don't know, 2 points.
2
ES ripped. ES looks good.
2 points is a ripper today.
Like the bid came. 69 guy can
Would you consider him
GFY.
vanquished?
I don't know.
I mean,
No.
they tested it again, and they're up towards the highs again.
Yeah, they turned him into the point of control. I don't know how vanquished you can be if you're the whole liquidity for the spot.
Can we consider this drop as a chance to long for short term? Market's about to close, so I'm not sure of anything.
Yeah, I mean, if you sure are looking at a short term. If you're talking about 10 minutes.
That's true.
So if that's your time horizon, as they say in the bigs, sure.
The bigs?
In the bigs, the people that know ball, Leo, the bigs, the big show.
As they say in the biz.
What
I
was
just-
that?
I just learned no ball the other day, and I still
ball,
disagree
Stowe?
with it.
You don't have any balls?
I didn't. No, it's not that.
That's
it's
not
not. It's not it. Damn it, Leo. Doesn't have to do with my
I
balls.
wouldn't
It has to
shout
do
that
with
out into a microphone on the internet, though.
which one.
That you don't have any balls.
It's not that I don't have any. It's that I do know ball, but I thought that meant like baseball. But XY explained to me that is not what it means.
It's all ball.
That has not helped me understand this definition.
Saying.
You have game.
Now that I get.
Essentially, you can boil it all
It's
the way
the same
down to, do you know what you're talking about? If someone goes, oh, I know ball, it's essentially saying, I know what I'm talking about. It could be sports, it could be this, it could be that. It's just whatever is the present topic.
He's got game.
I understand what it's trying to accomplish. I'm just saying it's doing a really shitty job at it. That's what I'm saying. This
Agreed.
metaphor sucks. Nick,
Well,
where's your stop?
That's because you're an unk.
I know. Dude, I
Are
hope
we
they
the
ask me to
oldest
coach.
streamers? Like, is this four-way panel
Oh, shit. I hope
the
not.
oldest panel?
Why?
Now that you're
Why
saying
did you
that,
just bring that
Like
up?
cumulatively,
Oh my
I
God.
think
I'm actually
we are
the
like
oldest
300 years old.
the fact that you're
Oh,
saying
no.
that,
If
Oh,
we
no.
add it all up,
do you know how much work I've put into
I
things?
just realized that I'm actually the oldest one of all
we're like the nursing. They can call the segment the nursing home or something like this.
I'll just change the show name.
Bye, guys.
Geriatric.
I'm just 1 year behind
The
Leo,
prehistoric panel.
too. The prehistoric panel.
We'll call trade the close the early bird special at this point.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat dinner in 10 minutes. Oh, what a horrible thing for XY to do.
Sorry, intrusive thoughts.
Yeah, it's fair.
ARP panel.
Special. Damn. Y'all act like early dinner isn't the move. Bro, I've been eating dinner at 5:30 for 10 years.
I have a child, so yes, you eat dinner much earlier.
Early
now.
dinner is the only available option.
Let's go.
Just go to 0.
Rude.
Make it all worth it.
All right, we've got an update from production that the show title has been updated. I wonder what they called it.
Did they really? Trading with the Unks. Oh my God.
What's it called?
I'm going to have a fucking midlife crisis. I'm the oldest person on this stream. Of all the streamers.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, brutal.
Oof.
Oh,
We need to look up like old people phrases and start using them.
I already do. It's turkeys.
We do. Have you
Look here,
seen
see?
some of the new Death of the English
They're
language?
saying shit like, look here, see, buyer, see?
Like our slang is now old. Now they just say a bunch of weird stuff that I don't
It should
understand.
come back around again, though. I'm pretty sure.
Leo's. He's also, that's why Leo's shopping for a new car. Leo's gonna pull up in like a convertible 2-seater sports car. Howdy do, kids. Stowe's gonna show up to stream with a skateboard behind him. Got done skating.
Did this 57 guy still just sit on the bid there again?
I think so.
My goodness.
Pretty funny. All this stuff just to get back to the open. That seems to be it.
yeah. Unk, unchanged.
Hey, look, Tracy says, love this lineup. You guys need to do
Tracy,
this more often.
Thank you, Tracy.
That's a beautiful comment. Do you know of all the
you.
comments, this is the most beautiful comment?
Everybody asks, how's it so beautiful?
Just, she's spoken the most divine things ever. Oh, actually, I'm not the. Oh, hang on. I was just reminded by some in chat. PAX does stream.
Leo's reaching for what he could get right now.
So,
reaching for the handles.
Therefore,
wait.
I'm not the oldest.
But I guess the question is, does PAX stream or does PAX just get a camera put in front of him for all of us to
It's just
enjoy?
a candid camera.
I mean,
I've
witnessed him trading on the Superdome.
But
on screen.
but is that more of the we put a camera in front of PAX or is PAX streaming?
Yeah, he might not even know there's
I don't
a
know if that
camera in front of him,
qualifies.
honestly.
Capiche? Chat. Chat.
He might
Let's
not
get him
know.
on.
Road, Madonna.
Hey guys.
Hey Jim.
Oh, hey Jim.
What's up, Jim?
Oh, I ditto what Tracy said.
Oh, thanks, Jim.
Great
I
lineup.
I can't believe XY just out of nowhere goes, damn, do you realize how old we all are right now?
Hey, look. I was just looking at the panels like, dude, if you add the four of us up in age,
Dude,
It
gotta
ain't
get you off those
good.
you
Tic
guys,
Tacs.
you need to stop this right now.
See what I mean?
I'm
See
just
what I mean?
exiting my
I'm going to
short.
call Shab after this and say, sorry, Shab. It's time for me to
I'd
retire.
switch seats with you guys any day. Any day. Get
Jim's
my hair
lying.
back.
He's living the best. He would not trade with any of us. Jim has his own
Oh,
island.
man. Well, the beauty
true.
is you guys are all coming back tomorrow in one way or another.
That's true.
I mean, check this out. We have
Wednesday's show is the best morning stream. Sorry,
Oh.
not sorry.
It's crazy tomorrow. We've got Joseph Wang, special guest, FOMC day as usual. The guy's awesome. Follow him on X for sure. Farm
like that
Tape
guy.
Talk. Kane and Leo are going to kick us off trading the open and also doing a tape talk segment, prop talk segment. That's going to be awesome. Then we're going to have Nick and XY join, Kane and Leo, and then Stowe joins as well. So that's just the morning. Then we have an FOMC panel, a special one at 1:45, starting early with Blake Morrow, Maggie Lake, Tracy and Craig and myself. And then trading the close, we have Jack, Selma, and Chris joining us. And then we're not done yet. At 4 o'clock, me and Craig are going to continue. And Craig's going to tell us what's happening with the earnings. Remember, we have some wicked earnings coming, including Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Qualcomm, and more, and Ford. Craig's going to walk us through that, and I'll show some charts up and stuff at 4 o'clock for as long as it takes. So it's going to be a long day, but a lot of great stuff coming up tomorrow.
Cool. That's awesome.
Yeah, baby.
I love Wednesdays because I get to just cruise in and do an hour after everybody did all the hard work. It's really nice.
With your friends. Chilling with your friends.
Yeah. Let's get to hop in and be like, what's up,
Is
buddies?
it his last
You guys trade
presser?
okay?
Those 2-hour
Basically,
sessions
Powell's
get
last
tiring
presser.
for you, Hunk.
There is the
Sometimes.
Is it really
Tracy,
Powell's last presser tomorrow?
Yes,
Stowe,
it is.
yeah,
thought
Tracy
these
pointed that
trains
out. That's
takes a nap.
important. That's going to be fun. I mean, is
End
he
of
going to be
an era,
playful and
man.
happy, or is he going to be mean, and grumpy Powell?
Wow.
It's going to be fun.
He's gonna do that, and he's gonna do that bit from Half Baked.
Dude, he's
It's
all
gonna
I've
be like,
known. He's all I've known as a trader.
You're cool. I'm out of here.
So who's anyone still in positions right now?
No, I closed.
Yeah, I just have that one MES on.
It looks like I see a position on the screen from somebody there.
It's Stowe. He refuses to sell.
Yeah,
You're not?
I mean, I got a good entry. Might swing it.
He's feeling bald eagle right now.
So
Yeah.
when you say swing it, you mean hold it over the close?
Yeah, I mean, like for maybe like the next hour.
Okay.
My investment.
All right. Well, you have 59 minutes before the hour break.
Okay, maybe somebody can tweet something and then just close it for me. That would be good.
Anyway, interesting.
Are there any earnings right now?
Yeah. Right now, this is Tuesday. We have Visa. No, is that right? No, that was yesterday. That was Monday. Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, we have Visa, Robinhood, and Starbucks, Waste Management, and then whatever STX is, Seagate Technology.
How much Robinhood is in the S&P? Can I get this baby to move?
I would sell Starbucks. I mean, when I left, there's not a Starbucks on the island. When I left Chicago 5 years ago, they lost a big revenue stream right there. So I'd be selling
You should
that.
get with Nick on his Chipotle. Maybe you guys can do a Chipotle Starbucks podcast where you guys are just the Starbucks Chipotle bears.
Oh, man.
Chipotle stock sucks, and I'm going to tell you why. Every episode.
That was literally me for like a year. Every
man.
quarter.
In any event, you guys are awesome as usual. Let's give these guys a round of applause, please. And I'm comforted to know all four of you guys will be back some way, somehow tomorrow. So looking forward to that. Remember, everybody listening, special tomorrow, FOMC, 1:45 start, extended 4 p.m. session with Craig. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to get to hear from these guys again. It's going to be super, super awesome. So hopefully we'll see you there. And I do want to remind everybody, though, I know it's Tuesday, but still the most important message of the day, please be safe out there and be good to each other. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, guys.
Good chat.